2024 Durga Puja vlog this year is very special.
Hi, welcome to my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Vasu. So, আজকে চতুর্থী 7th of October 2024. এখন অলরেডি 11 AM 11টা বাজে। তো আজকে আমি কিন্তু পুজো দেখতে এখনও বেরোচ্ছি না। সো দিস ইজ আ ওয়ার্কিং ডে ফর মি। রাইট নাও আই হ্যাভ টু গো টু নিউ মার্কেট অ্যান্ড দেন আই হ্যাভ টু কাম ব্যাক। অ্যান্ড ইন বিটুইন today morning I had some delivery because food delivery because my Durga Puja pop-up is going on. So this year it is going to be very hectic, and obviously the candles are there. So I'll give a update. I'll give some update. What I am thinking this year, I will try to make a vlog every day till Durga Puja. So till Navami, how it's going on. So I don't know today evening if I can go out or not. So let's go for New Market for work purpose.
Okay, I injured my wrist, not seriously, but I have to use wristband. I had to go to New Market Masala Patti because হঠাৎ করে এত বেশি ফুড অর্ডার চলে এসেছিল. I had to buy some raw materials. And for Diwali candle order, I had to buy some boxes and carry bag as well. And in between, I saw the first Durga Puja over here.
Without any delay, everything is done in New Market area. So I already bought the boxes and paper carry bag for my client, that is for candle packing. And right now let me show you. So this is Simpark Mall, and what is that? Oh, already I have seen a Durga. Let me see if I can go in or not. I'll try. Lucky me. And this is unique in New Market. This is the first time I have seen this Durga Puja. I never came here before, during Durga Puja, so that's a good thing. Already Chaturthi, and I cannot say pandal hopping, but Thakur dekha to shuru hoye gelo, and now I will go back to home. Let's see at what time I can go. It's already 11:40. And one more thing, the good thing and the funniest thing, everybody in New Market area, as I'm coming for my work, so for buying raw materials and all, so everybody was asking, where is your gorgori? That is my trolley bag. I said, no, today I don't need that. I'm not here for huge shopping. So it's an emergency. That's why I came here. And finally it's done. So I don't have shopping bag. So rather I have this one, the Jhola bag. And I'm happy. I'm going back to home.
New Market is done and I'm going back to home. We'll take some rest. And this is the look of Chaturthi.
And finally it's Chaturthi, so this is my Chaturthi look. And I know I'm looking very sleepy, but cannot help because I wake up at 4 AM and then I was working. I went to New Market, as you see in the previous video, and right now I am planning to go to Maddox Square. So wait, who is the dog? That is my friend. He's just checking me out. Okay, so planning to go to Maddox Square, and then I'll come back to home because tomorrow in Panchami I have to wake up again early morning, and I have lots of food delivery. So let's see what I can go, where I can go actually. Oh, you see, he just wanna have some biscuit, so that's why he's here.
বাসে চেপে ঠাকুর দেখার মজাই আলাদা যদি সেটা ফাঁকা বাস হয় তো। সো আই গট দ্য বাস। আমার ছোটোবেলায় বাবার সঙ্গে এভাবেই ঘুরতাম।
Finally at Maddox Square. So what I did, I took the bus from Jadavpur 80, that is 218, and I get down at Baliganj Fari, and after that I get an auto and reached to Maddox.
And that is Madly Maddox. Maddoxের দুর্গা ঠাকুর the best. What I always say কি বাগবাজারের দুর্গা ঠাকুর আর ম্যাডক্সের দুর্গা ঠাকুর এটা একদম মিস করা যায় না। বাগবাজারটা এখন আর আমার হয় না আনফর্চুনেটলি, বিকজ একা একা অত দূর যেতে পারি না, বাট আই নেভার মিস ম্যাডক্স। ট্র্যাডিশনাল দুর্গা ইজ অলওয়েজ বেস্ট।
It's just 6 PM and I reached home. So today I had only one thakur, that is Maddox, and yes, another in as I said in where New Market area. No food today because I did not find any egg roll. পুজোতে তো egg roll must. So আজকের জন্য এই অবধি চতুর্থী is done. পঞ্চমী I have some plan, but let's see what we can do. I mean I can do. Oh, by the way, I always go alone, so there is no friend of mine is going with me. So this is the new kind of vlog I thought to share. So how I enjoy my pujo. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, and I am going back to home. Already I am at home and I need some rest because tomorrow morning Panchami and I have to wake up early.
I did not find anybody to click my picture, so no worries, selfie is okay.